Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say welcome, and please don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video or if it was helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Snapmat on your iPhone. I recently just launched my Patreon page, and if you want to become a patron, I will link the site below the description box if you want to check it out. So let's get started. I already have the Cricut app downloaded on my iPhone. Click New Project. On the left bottom, click Image. And I'm going to choose this star. I need to change the size of the star, so slightly slide to the right and click Edit. I need to change this to 1 inch. Then click Layers. Click on Duplicate so I can create multiple stars, and if you want to close the panel, just click on the layers again. Select all of the stars. I'm going back to layers again to duplicate it one more time. And to close the panel, just click layers again. Click Make It. On the bottom left, click Snapmat, and this will take you to the screen where you need to position the mat as close to the frame edge. I just placed my mat on my dining table, and I do apologize for the shaky hands, but just try to keep it still and you will see a green box. Once it detects it, it will scan automatically. There you go. So the stars aren't aligned with my cardstock, so click the square on the top left to change the material size to 8.5 by 11. To close the screen, just click the top left square again. Now click Continue. And verify if you're on the right setting. Mine is on cardstock, which it's good to go. Load the mat and just hit Start. The cut is now complete. Unload the mat. And that is how you use a Snapmat on your iPhone. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like or leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.